Go. Hi, I'm John G. Welcome to the Giggle Box. Today we're going to be opening these Ghostbusters Stay-Puft marshmallow characters based on the upcoming movie Ghostbusters Afterlife, which opens next Friday. I can't wait. I am so excited. The trailer looks amazing. You should check out the trailer if you haven't seen it yet.
Roll trailer.
So good. I can't roll a trailer here.
Roll trailer.
Just imagine there's like some ghosts and like Ghostbusters.
Copyright. Red alert. Red alert. Red alert.
Sorry.
If you know where that's from, comment it down in the comment section. Red alert.
Red alert. It seems like every time I weigh these, they're different.
Need to see the scale.
Okay, here, look. So I have 3 tubs here, okay? One.
It's 2.6.
Okay.
2.7.
Okay.
2.7. 2.7. 2.8. What?
When I initially weighed these, they were all off by 1 ounce. So we're going to open these, and I'm hoping that that says something, because there are no codes on here that I can tell. Just barcode and some numbers over here, but they all match. All these numbers are the same. So I don't think anything on here is code-based.
You see the codes.
There are no codes. There's like numbers on the bottom. There's barcodes. There's numbers down below. I mean, there's numbers all over, but they're all the same.
2.6.
Okay. So we're going to open this one first. Seeing how it's 1 ounce off, okay, I'm hoping that all 3 of these are different.
It's actually all the same character.
I really hope not. Because like I said, I don't see any codes to make sure that you're getting different characters.
It's not gone. It's on your shoulder.
Can you see here? Those 6 different characters they have right there?
He's on fire, on a rocket, melting, playing with crayons, eating chocolate, and holding a pencil.
Yes. Let's see what we got in here. Oh, already.
Goo?
I got slimed, Ray. There's goo, yes, because there's some kind of a...
You must put in water and wait for 16 hours.
There's a gooey compound.
Show the container.
Oh my gosh, that is a mess. That is like... that's... Oh my gosh. This is an absolute mess.
Oh. Ew. What? Ew. Ew. Gross. If you like slime, you're going to like this toy.
This is not like slimes we've opened in the past, though. This is truly sticky and gooey.
You gotta stop moving your hands around. Or like moving the packages around.
Well, that's not...
Ew.
It's not coming off.
It's like if you ate s'mores with the marshmallow like slowly came off and then it like got stuck in between your fingers.
That is a good example.
That's exactly what this is like.
Representation.
What the heck?
Like,
That's so gross.
usually in the past with other slimes that we have dealt with, it's just been kind of, I mean, it's been sticky, but it's been a cleanup to where you can just collect the slime. But this is like gum. It feels like gum. And how am I supposed to open this now?
Trusty pocket knife.
It feels like I don't want to touch it because I feel like I'll get it all over the place. And it's so slippery now that I can't open it. This is a huge mess.
Maybe take all of them out and just have them sit on the table and then go wash your hands and then come... Oh, what was that? I heard like a squeak.
It's because I punctured the bag. Okay, so...
Gross.
It is gross. That is not... This is exactly why I am glad I'm filming this. Because if you haven't picked these up and you're wondering, now you know. Let me just tell you, this is not regular slime. Because this would just, I mean, if it was regular slime, it would just come off and it would be clean. But see, it doesn't come off. Like, touching it just makes it worse. How are you supposed to clean this?
You look like Spider-Man if you put a web between his fingers. But his web slinger like blew up and it's all over his hands.
And
now.
there's like a whole vat of this. Like it's there in the bottom, a whole.
Ugh.
You've got like about a third of this bucket is filled with this. And I don't see any point in playing with it because it's just getting all over the place. Like it's all over the thing now. This is... Ew.
You're in the...
Get a picture of
your
that.
Your index finger.
Get a picture of that. That can be the thumbnail. Okay, honestly...
Your third finger on your left hand is just like... it's like covered on like all sides.
This is a huge mess. And I don't see how you're supposed to get this off. Because peeling at it, I mean, because it's already on my fingers, touching my other hand just transfers it from one hand to the next. And it's not coming off cleanly. This is going to take a while to clean up, I can tell already. Okay, so let's... I can't... I can't open it. Open up. Okay, see now this one's already...
He got it off! Never done before!
I can't even grab it because my hands are all slippery and gooey with the marshmallow substance. Okay. The world. You know what this reminds me of?
What?
This reminds me of years ago. When we were filming Ghostbusters Twinkies, I believe it was. and you covered me in whipped cream. Remember that?
I remember. I remember sticking my entire hand in the whipped cream and then just rubbing it all over your face.
Tried to have some fun singing time. Yeah, you can't see now. I put whipped cream in front of your eyes. With your whipped creamy orange feature man.
That, even though it was a mess, was easier to clean up than this. This, oh gosh, I'm going to have to, I don't think I can even...
Good luck washing your hands.
I don't think I can even open up these characters until I've cleaned off this nonsense. What a mess. This is just a mess. See how it like doesn't come off?
You're gonna fling it at the camera. Oh no, it's on the table.
Okay. Whoa. There it happened. Let's see if I just stick my hand in there. Will it? Okay. This one, maybe this is a better batch. See how I'm like, stick my hand in there. Oh, it's not. It's like, it should like all cling together and just come off clean, but it won't.
That's not how it works.
Okay, that one did.
Now you're just going and putting more slime on the same finger.
No, it's, I mean, it should be, okay, there we go. This is not your normal slime. This is...
He's big brain.
This is stickier.
He's big braining it.
This is...
Yeah, you're gonna have to like wash your hands
There.
after this pretty well.
Okay, that's better. At least I might have fingertips. After about 10 minutes of playing with this goo, it is now finally acting like the slime I would think it would be. Now it's I can roll it up and it's been coming off my hand. Okay, it's kind of cleaning itself up now. Okay, so maybe it just needed to bond with oxygen or something. It's been in this container, all moist and yucky, and then just coming out. I mean, I don't know. This one looks slimier than that one.
Here's cup number 1. You know, it's like kind of empty. Here's cup number 2. It's like half empty. There's not even a toy inside. It's just goo. You can't even see the toy.
There is no toy. I took it out already.
Oh. That's why there's no toy then.
See, and the toy is still pretty wet and slimy. Okay, so let's... So here we've got... This is back. Look at that. That's cute. Go. So you got
that's the fire one. There's orange inside.
You're right, because there's orange in there.
And there's no other one with orange.
There's no orange in this one. Okay, this right here was 2.6. The 2.6 bag. This right here was the 2.7 bag. So, since this seems to be drying up once it's been mixing with oxygen for a little bit, I'm going to let this kind of dry up on my hand. So hopefully it'll just, instead of getting all over the place, just go back into the container. Oh, gosh. No. Off. Okay. Let's see if we can open the last one.
2.8.
2.8. Oh, this one's clean.
Woo, woo. I know the cup inside won't be clean.
No.
Ugh. Look. Look at all that goo.
Look at this one though. This one's more like rubber.
What?
And look, and that came off clean, just the way I expected it to be. These two were very, very moist and creamy and just gooey. Yuck. I mean, look, it got all over the container. Oh, this one's also,
It's
look,
covering some of the words.
this one's
Fire.
orange. Dang, so we got two that are the same. Can I activate my knife? without-
He's using the knife with the goo.
There's not much goo on my fingers anymore.
Doo, 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 doo. Oh, red alert! Red alert! Red alert! Again, comment that in the comment section if you know what it is. Woo! Fire wound. What is he on fire in the movie?
Well, I don't know. We gotta see the movie.
Why does his face look so weird?
Because he's on fire. He's a marshmallow, so he's melting.
It looks like he has like a carrot in his mouth. It's like his tongue is so orange it looks like fire.
La, 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 la. Okay. And this third one. Oh, cute! He's eating chocolate. Looking at the 6 characters they have right now, I actually think I got the 2 best ones, really.
The one that weighed 2.7 and then 2.7 and then 2.8 was the exact same figure.
Right, so obviously it was the same figure, and that's why the weight was fluctuating.
And then you got this guy at 2.6.
And now that the goo has had time to bond with the oxygen, it's coming off nicely, just the way it should. So, in the beginning, this may seem like a huge mess. Because we caught it all on film. You could see it was very sticky. But now it is coming off clean, just the way...
He did not wash his hands.
I did not. It's just coming off clean now. Just the way usual slime does. Like, it's kind of stuck to my fingers, but...
It's like barely any.
I can peel it all off right now. So... And I'm just afraid to touch it again because...
I'm just afraid to touch it again. Goes to touch it.
I'm just afraid to touch it. Goes and touches it.
Oh, I'm just afraid to touch it. Starts like scooping it up with his
I-
finger. Like, what are you doing?
I wanted to
I'm just
see.
afraid to touch it.
I wanted to see now that the jar was open.
That's not even like touching it. That's like scooping it out.
Right, because I want to see, now that the jar is open, if it'll come out clean, like slime, and not be like a huge gooey, like a vat of honey, like a just huge mess.
I'm afraid to touch it. Proceeds to grab the entire thing of slime.
Okay, look. We're gonna do a little experiment. See, it has got that gooey yuck feeling. But now that it's all out of there, well, there's still more in there. But I got this good portion out. I just don't want to touch it, so I think I'll play with it some more.
Common sense.
Mostly, I wanted to get it out so I could get all the residue to stick to the blob.
And now you're putting it on the table.
No, look, I'm gathering up all the residue, all the little crumbs.
Oh, we better get whatever on the side of this thing.
Okay, so now...
This one right here. Right here. This one right here.
Yeah, that one right there.
Yeah. Oh, I don't want to touch it, but you know what? I'll just cover my entire hand in it. It would be sticky. Oh wait, it is sticky. Bruh. I'm afraid to touch it.
Proceeds to touch it. I'm going to peel this off, put it back in the container, and wait for the little bit of residue left on my hand to dry up. I mean, look. Okay, that was a bad idea.
That's why you said I'm afraid to touch it.
I'm afraid to touch it. Now I know. It's like, okay. Even though
it's stuck on both of your hands.
We're right back to square one.
I'm afraid to touch it.
just get a picture of this.
Do your thumbnail face. That's clearly not gonna work.
Okay. What a bad idea.
Now play the clip back where you're saying I'm afraid to touch it right now. And go back to this spot.
I'm afraid to touch it.
There's a meme for you. I'm afraid to touch it.
Here's a tip. If you should happen to get this for your kids, or if you are the one actually purchasing this,
scoop it out with a spoon.
Make sure you play with this on a hard surface. Do not get this on your carpet.
That's going to be a mess to clean up.
I'm pretty sure if this gets on the carpet, your carpet's ruined. This is definitely ruined.
Don't get it on any clothes either.
Yeah, should we try and see what happens?
No! I'm afraid to touch it.
I can't even get it off my hand now. It's all going back in the messy one. This is just...
Remember that one toy you got where it's just like a toilet and then you put stuff in the toilet?
Yeah, and that is long gone. People have already forgotten about that. Poop toy? What? Yeah, it's long gone. It didn't survive because that was a horrible idea. Oh my gosh, this is... All right, well, we don't need to see me cleaning anymore. Trying to clean this off. So, if you liked it, like it. And this is messy, just so you remember.
No, really.
We'll see you guys in the next video.
Subscribe.
Yeah. I'm just afraid to touch it again because...
I'm just afraid to touch it again. Goes to touch it.
I'm just afraid to touch it. Goes and touches it.